Welcome everybody, we're in Palm Springs, California right now at the casino, and I'm going to just review one of the restaurants inside the casino. This is called Calliente, I think. What's Calliente mean? Water? Okay, so apparently it's coffee water. I don't know. Anyway, first impression's horrible. Two cashiers, two people in front of us, and we waited over 10 minutes. I don't know what they were doing. They had a manager out there. They were 90 pieces of paperwork. Anyway, first impression's terrible. We finally got up to order. We got a simple BLT on wheat, a fruit salad on the side, and a shake called a blue banana. It's got blueberries and bananas and stuff in it. And let me show you the food real quick. All right, we'll start with the fruit salad. I'm not gonna eat it, it's trash. Nothing here is ripe. It's flavorless, it's crunchy. I've had honeydew and cantaloupe my whole life. Don't know what that is, but it goes over there in the trash pile. The BLT, we just split one. We just wanted something light. The bacon is crispy. The wheat toast is wheat. Dissected a little bit. So this is a BLT. I got no complaints. I mean, seriously, how can you possibly screw up a BLT? Although this place probably could if they wanted to. Oh, there's the name. I found the name on the thing. Anyway, this is a blue banana. We have no idea what this is. Let me try. It has a mild hint of banana. It tastes no blueberries. In fact, it tastes pretty horrible. Wow, that is disgusting. What the hell is in that thing? You try it. It almost tastes powdery. Something's wrong with it.
It does have protein powder.
Oh my God, she ordered it with protein powder. Okay, I can't fault the shake for that. I can just fault Leslie for that one. All right, guys, I'm not gonna eat that, drink that. I'm not gonna eat that. I'm gonna nibble on this. I'll try the pickle. Why not? It can't all be bad. Like, I mean, how can you screw up a pickle? Let's try the pickle. Pickle's fine. Serious dill. No mild pickle there. That's full-on dill pickle. I'm going to show you the prices here. Do you like that shake?
It's fine.
I think it's horrible.
It's not great. It's fine.
It's disgusting. I would throw that directly into the trash with the fruit salad. Anyway, this is where we're going here. We got an $8.50 BLT. We got a large blue piece of crap. And the BLT came with a side, so the fruit salad came on the side. So, and there's our totals. And there you go, guys. So don't eat here, don't come here. Maybe the coffee is good. There's some old shriveled up pastries in the counter. Maybe they're good, I doubt it. And I don't like giving bad reviews on food. You've seen most of mine are spectacular. And we're in a pretty high-end Palm Springs casino. And you would expect, well, let me just be honest with you. After being at the Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas, that's my bar. That's my bar. Everything should be to the Cosmo level. And this place fell way short. Cosmo wouldn't serve this to their dogs in the basement. Although the sandwich is edible. Everything else is crapola. Anyway, that's my own personal opinion. You might love it here. I have not tried their coffee. I love coffee, maybe. But based on what I'm seeing in the back there, their coffee's probably crap as well. So, beats me. Not sure what's up here. We had a wonderful meal in the other Aqua Calliente in Rancho Mirage last night. Make sure you click the bell for notifications, or just go back and search for it. Man, we had a wonderful dinner in a cafe of all places. Fantastic meal. High quality, good standards, good food, nice and quiet. This place, no. I give this a 0 out of whatever. I'm very disappointed. Oh, and as a final note, we had to clean our own table. The table was filthy. We found a bottle of spray. We found a whole bunch of napkins, and I'm going to show that to you. All right, I think you can see the dirt on that napkin, and we had to go get our own napkins, our own cleaner, There's no one out here that I can find cleaning anything. And this is supposed to be a pandemic in California where everything is supposed to be all crazy sanitized. Yeah, right. What a joke. Anyway, I give this place a horrible, disgusting, I'm gonna give it a 1. I'm gonna change my vote. I'm gonna give it a 1 out of whatever, just because the sandwich is edible. And that's it, guys. There's my review for coffee water. Java Calliente. Hey guys, this is about 2 hours later. This is the name, and I just wanted you to see this. 2 hours later. Those are our napkins, our filthy napkins that we had to clean our own table with 2 hours ago, still on the table. Public relations, I sure hope you see this video, because you've got a really nice casino here, but you got a one terrible, terrible restaurant. Fix it.